Hey, what's up guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, when you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get a chance to win some free money every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers to my channel. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos all the way to the very end, like all my videos, and make sure you drop this comment, hashtag get your grind on. And once I receive that 1,000 new subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and that person is going to win the free money via PayPal. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money, please subscribe now. Don't miss out. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 businesses that are booming during this pandemic lockdown. Now, if you're new to my channel, do yourself a favor. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And also give me a like. It really helps out this channel and helps out this video. And also drop a comment down below if you have anything you want to ask about what I'm talking about today. Also, don't forget to type hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win that free money once I hit 3,000 subscribers. And I just want to say thank you for helping me get to 2,500. I really appreciate you guys. Now let's go to 3,000. This month is almost halfway gone, so we still have time to get to 3,000 before the end of this month, so I can give away this free money, guys. All right, what I want to do is go ahead and get into this right now. I don't want to waste you guys' time, so please watch this video all the way through so you'll know all the 5 businesses that are booming right now. Now let's get into this. Now, number 1, eLearning. Now, eLearning is a business that is really booming. It's been booming before the lockdown, but it's really booming now. And what eLearning is people are going on certain sites, finding certain skills that they want to learn. So we have some sites out there that provide programs that people can download and listen to or watch videos or whatever, and it'll show people step by step how to master a certain skill. Now, if you have a certain skill that you're good at, you can go ahead and make that into a program or an e-learning program and put that on sites like Teachable and Skillshare. And what you're going to do, just make a step by step, maybe 5 steps, 6 steps, 7 steps on how to master something, a certain skill. Go to Teachable or go to Skillshare, sign up with those websites, upload your e-learning program, and people start downloading it and they'll pay you for it. And this business is really big out there, so this is something you guys want to go ahead and get into. All right, number 2. I got my notes over here, let me check. Okay, number 2 is delivery service. Now, if you have a car, this would be perfect for you guys. Now, since the pandemic, people are not really going to restaurants because a lot of restaurants are closed. So restaurants are delivering things, delivering food to people. So what you can do, you can sign up with this website called Amazon Flex. On there, you kind of an independent contractor. You working for Amazon Flex, but you're your own boss. And so what you're going to be doing is delivering food or even items. It don't even have to be food. It can be other items that you can be delivering to these individuals all in your city, and Amazon Flex will pay you for that. So this is a really, really booming business you need to get into right now while this pandemic have everybody locked down. So go over to Amazon Flex and get started doing that. Now, number 3 is Tik Tok Entertainer. Now, I know you're saying Tik Tok Entertainer. Yes, Tik Tok Entertainer. Now, if you know how to dance or make people laugh, TikTok be perfect for you. A lot of people are on there, doing their little dances, making people laugh, and they're getting paid for it. Now, you probably wondering, how are they getting paid for that? Now, if you get a large following, what you can do, you can come up with some merchandise, sell that on Teespring. You don't have to do any inventory, anything like that. Teespring will take care of all that. All you have to do is come up with a logo, put that on the shirt. Teespring will put that on the shirt. And when somebody goes to your Teespring account, they will, purchase your shirt and you get paid for it. Because Teespring is going to send that out to them. So all you have to do is continue to make TikTok videos. So, like I said, if you know how to dance or if you know how to make people laugh, go to TikTok, start that business. Also, you can become an influencer for brands. Because if you have a large following, brands will come knocking at your door. I'm just saying. But brands are hit you up, email you or send a message to your TikTok account and say, hey, can you please work with us and promote our brand? I'll pay you X amount of dollars. So there are many ways you can make money being a TikTok entertainer. So that's the third one. Now, the fourth one is online gaming. Now, if you play games all the time, this is the perfect time to get into this and make it out of a business, because students, children are out of school. So they're on Twitch. There's this website called Twitch or app. A lot of kids are on there watching people play games. That's big business. So if you know how to play games, what you can do is go on there, whatever game you like. Most likely, you got to get one of these popular games that's hitting right now. Play those games. People going to watch you play these games. Put that on YouTube, and you can make money on YouTube being a gamer, and also make money on Twitch being a gamer. So you have 2 ways you can make money being a gamer. So go ahead and check that out and get into that online gaming. Now, the 5th and final one is making masks or selling medical products. Now, if you know how to sew, you can go on YouTube and find a lot of videos that'll teach you how to make a mask. A face mask that people can wear when they go out. So you can make your mask yourself and sell them and ship it out to people. Put up a website talking about the mask that you make with different designs and whatnot, and you can have people to order the mask and you ship it out yourself. Or you can go to Shopify. Shopify will do everything for you. All you have to do is provide them with pics of your mask or whatever medical product that you're making, which you can get and you don't even have to make the mask. You can get the mask from Alibaba, probably maybe start off with 10 or 20, and they'll ship those masks to you, or you can have it set up where when somebody buys it, it's going to be shipped out to them. So there are many ways you can make money with some face masks or any other medical products using Shopify and using Alibaba, which is a company that provide hundreds and hundreds of thousands of products to people all around the world. So that's it. That's the 5 businesses that are booming during this pandemic lockdown. Go ahead and start one of those businesses and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please, before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button and help me to get like 50 likes, guys. That's all I ask, 50 likes. It really helps out my channel. It's going to help out this video if I get at least 50 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about the 5 businesses that I talked about today. And don't forget to type hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win that free money once I hit 3,000 subscribers. And please, please guys, share this all around the internet and share it on all social media platforms so I can help as many people I can, because I really, really want to help everybody I can all around the world become their own boss and become financially free. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel. It's right there in the little corner right there. You can hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, guys, that's it. One more thing. Please drop a creative comment down there along with hashtag get your grind on, because sometimes I pick out a comment and I give that person a shout out in one of my videos. So make sure you put that in the comment section also, in the comments down below also, a creative comment. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you, Grind family. I appreciate you guys' support. Keep supporting me and I'll keep dropping this content for you guys. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out some of my other videos until my next one come out. Peace. Get your grind.